Prime Minister Yingluck Shinawat's cabinet lineup has been described by political observers as acceptable. It appears that the ruling Pheu Thai party has tried to please critics while also avoiding political confrontation. No red-shirt leader figures are in the cabinet. Former Deputy House Speaker Aphiwan Wiriyachai, the only red-shirt leader left on the shortlist of cabinet candidates, was earlier tipped to become the Education Minister. But after that seat went to another party figure, he said he did not want to be a Deputy Prime Minister either. He said he was, in quote, not good at it. Judging from the lineup, the new Premier appears to have taken the safe road by not including any red-shirt leaders in her cabinet. However, some of the would-be cabinet members are not so well known and others are close to fugitive ex-Premier Thaksin Shinawat, who is now the new Prime Minister's elder brother. The business community welcomed the appointments of Thirachai Pooranat Naranuban as Finance Minister and Kittirat Naranong as Commerce Minister. Thirachai has already resigned as Secretary General of the Securities and Exchange Commission, and Kittirat has served as President of the Stock Exchange of Thailand. Business sources praised Kittirat and Thirachai for their depth of experience and impressive track records. A possible controversial figure in the new cabinet is the outspoken veteran politician Chareum Yubamlung, who will be the Deputy Prime Minister in charge of police affairs. Regarding the political-related posts, political pundits gave the nod to Defense Minister General Yuthassak Sasiprapha. A permanent Secretary for Defense and Deputy Defense Minister in the Thaksin government, Yuthassak is described as a compromising and non-confrontational person, and he is expected to work well with the leadership of the armed forces. On the social front, the jury is still out. Most of the cabinet seats for security affairs have been filled by Pheu Thai figures. Cabinet seats under the Pheu Thai quota are mostly shared among the factions headed by Thaksin, his ex-wife Pochaman Napompet, Thaksin's sister Yawapa Wongsawat, Yingluck, and Kun Ying Sudarat Geyurapan. Of the 30 seats under the Pheu Thai quota, 21, including the MP seat, are split among the Shinawat family's factions, with 14 selected by Thaksin and his ex-wife, 4 by Yawapa and 2 by Yingluck. The remaining seats were divided up among the MPs from the regions, 5 from the northeast, 4 from the central region, and 1 from Bangkok. The Nation Analysis for ASEAN TV.